In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money on YouTube without YouTube channel. Yes, you have heard it right. You don't even need a YouTube channel, and I'm going to share with you how to make $300 per day on YouTube. And I'm not going to share with you one method, but I will be sharing with you 5 different methods plus one bonus method to make money on YouTube. And later in this video, I will also share with you how a big company is also doing the same thing and making a ton of money. So now we are going to simply dive into the steps. There I will be showing with you the each step-by-step process on how to achieve the same results. So now we are going to simply hop into the first step. The first step is simply picking up your niche. For example, we are going to go into the health and fitness niche, and there, so we need to go the 3-step down into the niche, okay? Not in the niche, but into the market. For example, in the health and fitness, there is bodybuilding, and in the bodybuilding, there is men, okay? So you can actually say like you are doing the, you are having a niche called bodybuilding for men. So this is what do I mean by the 3-step down. So now we have figured out our niche. So this was the step 1 over here, is actually finding your niche. So we are done with the step 1, and as I am taking my niche bodybuilding for men, so I just simply searched for that. And as you can see, a lot of videos are coming up over here on the YouTube. So what is the second step over here? Second step is finding the big YouTube channels, okay? So for example, you can see the millionaire. This guy is having over 7.6 million subscribers. So this is going to be a great fit for us. And we can also pick up some of the more different channels. So because we are going to do something different in this video. So this is the second step over here, is actually finding the YouTube channels. So on the Athlenex, we need to figure out how many views is he getting every single day. So as we can see that he's uploading almost every single day, okay? 10 hours ago, 3 days, something like that, here about every single day. And what is the sweet spot for his YouTube videos? So he's getting like 200,000, 500,000 views, 1 million, 1.3 million, and a ton of more. So he's getting a lot of views on his YouTube videos. So as we can see over here, most of his videos are getting over 1 million views. But still, we are going to be on the safe side. We can actually say the sweet spot is going to be near about 700,000 views on every video on his YouTube channel. So now we need to figure out some of the more different channels. So we will be having some of like choices, okay? So over here we can also pick up this channel like health and fitness. This channel is having over 1.5 million subscribers, and this guy is getting let's see how many views is he getting every single day. 40,000, 40,000, 49,000, 29,000, 92,000, 15,000, 20,000. So the sweet spot is near about 40,000 for every video you are going to take. So now we are also done with the second step. The second step was actually finding the big YouTube channels. So we are also done with that step over here. So now I'm going to share with you the 5 different methods on how you can actually make money over here, okay? And after that, I will share with you how a big company is doing the same thing that I'm going to share with you, okay? So now what is the first thing over here? The first method you can actually do is, a lot of people are having different products, but they don't even have the audience to promote. So we are going to use these YouTube channels to promote the product for. Now you might be thinking, well, I don't have money to give these guys so that they are going to promote the product. And maybe you are also thinking that I don't even have a product to get that promoted. So I'm going to solve both of these problems. We are going to get these guys promote our product even if we don't have any money. And second, we don't even need to create a product. I'm going to share with you something really crazy, okay? So the first method that you can actually make money is, a lot of people are really struggling. They want to build their body, or they want to be healthy, or they want to make money online. There are a lot of different things. So what you can actually do, you can actually create a Facebook group. I'm not talking about the free group. I'm talking about the paid group. Look at this. There is a really big audience into the health and fitness niche, 84,000 members. And as I've already shown you, that there is a huge audience, 7.6 million subscribers. That means people are interested in this niche. So you are going to create a Facebook group related to this like bodybuilding for men. and in that group you are going to share every single day some of the tips and maybe some of the videos. You can even find the videos from somewhere else, and if you want you can create the videos yourself, and every single day you are going to teach them something into the group. You are going to give them diet, you are going to share with them something really that, for example, you can actually tell this guy, hey, just I'm going to give you 50% of whatever the amount of people are going to join my group. Okay, I'm going to give you, for example, you are charging $50, okay, for every people who is going to join your group. So you can simply tell him, I'm going to give you $25 as for every people that is going to join the group, and that way you don't need any money to start. Okay, you really don't need any money to start. Okay, so now what you are going to do, you are going to join those people, and if you know nothing about that, you can simply Google that. Okay, you can find the diet chart from there and can simply share it over here. Okay, because people are lazy, they don't even have the time to do all these things, so they will be ready to pay you. Okay, the courses, online courses, you can even create every single day one video, like how to build apps in 30 days, etc, etc. If you don't want to create the videos, you can find them on internet and can share it over here. And one thing you can do, whenever a guy is having any problem, you can simply come over here and can help him out, because that's how they are going to pay you money. They are going to pay money for the personal attention. Okay, and later on you can hire a guy who is having a knowledge so that he can actually help these guys. And if you don't know anything, you can simply Google it and can share the answer. It's that simple. You can easily charge like $50, and every single video on this YouTube channel is getting like 700,000 subscribers on an average. Okay, so on an average 700,000 people are getting the video views. So I'm only going to say like 1% of the people are going to click the link in the description, which is really bad. Okay, because I can easily get 40% click-through rate on my YouTube videos. So 1% of the people are going to get, that means 7,000 people are going to check out the YouTube channel. Okay, and then that, because these are the really low amount of clicks, so that means these are the buyers. Okay, they really wanted to join the group. So now out of that, only 10% of the people are going to join the group, because the price is so low and you are also giving them personal attention. So you are going to charge like $50. Okay, so $50, that's $35,000. And even if you are going to give 50% amount to the Athlean-X, still you will be left with $17,500 every single month is coming to your bank account. Just think about it, how crazy is that going to be? Okay, so this is the first method. You can actually create a Facebook group and can help these people. So now what's the second way? The second way is actually creating a course. On the course, you don't have to give your personal time over here. Okay, so what you can actually do, you can simply reach out to this guy Athlean-X and can simply tell him, hey, I do have a course that costs like $500, and if you are going to promote that course, then I am going to give you like 50% of whatever I am going to earn. And that way, let's say you are going to get like you are selling a course for like $1,000. Okay, you are going to sell the course for like $1,000, and you are going to just get like 700 people. Okay, not 700 but 70 people are going to grab the course. So that's $70,000. That's doubled the money, and you don't have to do the effort again and again. So you are going to keep the $35,000 in your pocket, and $35,000 will go to Athlean-X, and you both will be very much happy. Okay, so what's the third method over here? If you don't want to give your personal time, if you don't want to create a course, then you can go with this method over here. So this method is actually promoting the affiliate products. So why are you going to promote the affiliate? Why these guys are going to promote the affiliate products via your link? Why? Just because it's not easy to convert the affiliate product these days, because they are also giving a lot of people are giving a ton of bonuses. So what you can actually do, you can create the bonuses. For example, you can create like 2-3 ebooks. Let's say you are promoting a product of like you are selling a supplement. Okay, you are selling a supplement. So what you can actually do, you can give them like 4 to 5 videos on like how to build 6-pack abs. or maybe how to lose weight. And you can also give them free cheat sheet on how to follow the diet every single day. You can also give them like PDF on how to lose more weight in a week than they can lose in a year. When you are going to give them bonus, these guys will be agreed to share the 50% with you, because they will be getting more sales, because the bonus will be converting at a much higher price. And even you can also start to follow up with email marketing that will help in getting more and more revenue, because these guys don't have time for all these things. Their main business is something else, and that's where you can come in and can give them 50%, and that's a win-win situation for both of you guys. Okay, so you can also promote the affiliate programs by simply searching on the Google. If you cannot find the good affiliate programs on the clickbank.com, okay, you can simply join from here whatever you think of. And so the fourth method of making money is actually with Amazon. What you can actually do, you can actually list the product on the Amazon. You can buy it, or you can simply do one thing. You can actually just buy a product, select a product from AliExpress, okay, and thereafter you are going to list it on Amazon, and as soon as you are going to get any order, you are going to ship it to that guy. And what you can actually do, you can create an Amazon affiliate account, and thereafter you can create the affiliate link for your own product. And then you can simply share that affiliate link with this guy and can tell him, hey, I will be giving you 70%, not 70%, because physical products are having less competition, are having less margin, but you can give them more percentage of the industry. For example, everybody in the industry is giving like 5%. You can give them 6% or maybe 7%, because you don't have to market. This guy will be marketing for you. And you can even tell him whosoever is whosoever is going to buy from this guy's YouTube channel, you're going to give an extra ebook. Okay, for example, you're going to list the supplements for building body. Okay, so you are going to give the affiliate link for that product, and you can simply tell him, whosoever is going to buy from this guy's channel, I'm going to give a free course on how to build a really stunning body. And that's how you can actually make money. You can actually find the good courses, or you can pay someone to create the course. And if you don't want to do that, you can simply create a free ebook, because it's really better from nothing. Okay, it really attracts a lot of people. You can create a cheat sheet that is going to take less than 5 minutes. So that's how you are going to get a ton of people to be buying your products. So what's the fifth way over here? The fifth way is actually using the Shopify. What you can actually do, instead of listing the product on the Amazon, you can create your own Shopify store, because the Shopify store will be having your own brand. It will help to get more and more traffic consistently on your own store, and you will be able to give more margin to this guy, because this time you are selling your products and you don't have to give a ton of money to the Amazon. So that's how you can again give this guy some kind of bonus. Okay, because this is going to help you to make more money, because now you don't need to pay Amazon like fees, shipping fees, and all those things. And that's how you will be able to build a brand and also make a lot of money. Okay, so but now how are you going to contact these guys? Because these guys are having 7.6 million subscribers. Will they respond to you? Okay, so how can you actually do that? So now there are two methods you can actually contact these guys. And when you are going to contact these guys, make sure to tell them, hey, I do have a special offer where you will also be making money and I will be making money, and you don't have to put any extra effort. So what you are going to do, you can do two things. Okay, one thing, you can actually just start sending the message everywhere. For example, you can shoot them a message on Facebook or whatever the social media are available over here. Or you can also do something like you can comment on their latest video, but as soon as the video is going to publish, because 99% of the YouTubers sees the comment, the first 10-20 comments, or maybe for a first half an hour. So make sure to do that. But the second way is much easy, and 90% of the things are available for this. Okay, so the second thing you can actually do, you can actually simply head over to their YouTube channel about section, and most of the people have already given their email address, but if someone hasn't given, you can check out these links. But if most of the YouTubers have actually given, For example, this guy Athleen X has already given his email. Okay, you can simply contact them, or you can simply just click on view email address and can easily get their email address and can contact them. And so what you need to tell them, you need to tell them that in every video, or not in every video, but in one video, in the beginning of the video, you can tell them, hey, if you want to build a stunning body, check out the link in the description for a course, stuff like that, or whatever your product is all about. And he can even create a review on your Shopify store product. That can also help you to generate a lot of money. So this is what you need to do over here. But now what's the bonus tip over here? The bonus tip is actually you are going to go much deeper and can make a ton of money for both you and for Athleen X app. So the strategy is a little bit hard and you have to put in the work, but the results are going to be really crazy in this case. So what you are going to do, you are going to actually start collecting emails. Instead of just selling them the courses and all these things, you're going to send them to an opt-in page where you are giving them something for free, which can be a free ebook, or it can be a course, or anything like that. And also you are going to collect the email address at the same time, and thereafter you are going to do the email marketing for them. You are going to build an email list, and thereafter you are going to sell these courses, products, or whatever you want. And that's how you will be able to make money with all of these methods in a single hit. Okay, you can combine this method with all of the other 5 different methods, and that will help you to make a ton of more money. And to make this more interesting, you can tell this guy, hey, whatever I'm going to earn from these guys, I will be paying you 30% or 50% lifetime. You might be thinking, how are you going to do that? Well, a lot of email marketing providers have the option of like automation and tagging. So you can actually tag like Athleen X, whosoever is going to come. And in a lot of lot of email marketers do something like long-term value that will help you to know which people. For example, if you are having a list of 1,000 people, then it will help you. The email marketing tool will help you to find how many of those 1,000 people have bought the product and how much have they made in total. So in the end of every month, you can calculate that much money and can pay Athleen X, because he will be getting the monthly money every single day. Okay, he will be getting the money every single month. So he will be more likely to promote your product in most of his YouTube videos, not just in one video. So you will be building a huge business. You might be thinking like giving 50% is crazy, but in case of digital products, it's really nothing, okay? Because a lot of people are already doing this. Just think about Anthony Morrison and many other people give 50% for all of the products. And that's how you're going to disrupt the whole of the market. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you one of the things that I was telling you on how a large company is doing this and can doing a lot of really great. So the company that I want to share with you is the T-Series. So as you can see, this channel is not actually the channel of the T-Series. This is actually the channel of Guruman. This guy name is, I think, Guruman. And look at this. T-Series is presenting something over here. It can be a program, or maybe it's like a series of like something like related to any kind of series related to health and fitness. So what they are doing, they are telling this guy Guruman to promote them. Look at this, they have a brand over here, and T-Series presents this program over here. It's the muscle building program that T-Series is announcing. So what they are doing some kind of program like this one. It's not going to be a course, but a series like of Marvel series, etc., okay, or whatever it is. I don't know about that, but this guy is helping them to generate traffic and increasing the hype for that. And maybe they are also going to pay this guy to bring the people for initial days into their series. So that's how you are going to do the same thing. And I really believe that this video is going to really help you a lot. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more Make Money Online videos. And I will see you in another video. But before you are going to go, check out this video right here. This is going to help you to build a sustainable business in the long term.